Welcome back. Last time we revealed how we replaced over £100,000 worth of scattered software with one unified platform, the Everything app. Today let's talk about how this app is structured to show clearly why this is such a productivity gain, regardless of the financial savings you can gain by vibe coding it yourself. So let's face it, best-of-breed software sounds great until you're drowning in integration headaches, data silos, and tools that just don't fit how your team actually works. Imagine if every tool you used, CRM, project management, testing, scheduling, lived in one system. All systems being guided by your very own company-specific AI. Now that's the Everything app. So here's the vision in action. What we're going to do is build a web app using Claude code with simple prompts, which we will share with you. This will involve creating a series of modules which need to be built in the right structure, as everyone feeds off and integrates with the other. Let me explain. The AI knowledge base is the foundation. The first step is building your very own custom AI knowledge base. Imagine a trained AI that instantly answers any employee question with up-to-date company-specific information. No more hunting through folders or outdated manuals. This isn't just a chat resource, however. Every process and AI agent we are creating here draws insights from this living brain. It underlines everything in this Everything app. For instance, your integrated CRM is powered by the AI intelligence. Once your knowledge base is in place, you can create a CRM that uses it for everything, from writing highly personalized emails to conducting instant customer research. Every client interaction is smarter, faster, and fully informed by your unique business data. And as your CRM gathers new insights, those feed right back into the AI, making it even sharper and more intelligent over time. Project management is...
Hello, sorry to interrupt your video. A quick reminder to see the description on the video to see a link to our Substack where you can sign up and receive all the information you need about creating your own Everything app. This includes step-by-step prompt instructions and video explainers. So start today, save tens of thousands of pounds, and create an app that suits the systems in your business and use AI to effect real change and real 10x improvements. Many thanks.
Also made more dynamic and responsive when compared to traditional means by using this AI knowledge base. Your project management now isn't just about tracking tasks in the Everything app. It's about truly intelligent workflows. The AI responds to support queries, generates and processes test scripts, and automatically updates project boards based on employee actions or customer feedback. You can export the information directly into MS Project whenever you need traditional structure, but you keep all your real-time intelligence into one place. Automated testing can also be produced using AI, ensuring quality at speed. With AI-powered test management, issue tracking, and instant reporting, you can release with confidence. This is truly revolutionary. The AI writes and updates test scripts based on new features or common issues detected across projects, ensuring quality never lags behind innovation. Social media content production and scheduling is now insightful and automated. You can plan, publish, and analyze campaigns on every major platform right from your dashboard. The AI suggests content ideas, optimal posting times, and even analyzes what's working best for you. And smart utilities can be produced building from employee suggestions. Automate scheduling, generate tender responses with AI, manage permissions and reporting, all seamlessly integrated. Plus, empower your team with built-in suggestion box. Employees can simply submit ideas, and the AI instantly creates and prioritizes tasks in project management. You'll see just how pervasive and proactive this AI engine becomes in driving continuous improvement within your organization. And to keep your business performing at its best, the Everything app provides up-to-date real-time metrics on every aspect of employee and system performance. Instantly see what's working, spot opportunities for improvement, and encourage continuous growth across your teams. With this level of insight, you can drive productivity and refine your systems every single day. You can see how everything connects. The AI knowledge base isn't just a tool, it's the pulse of your organization, powering CRM, project management, testing, marketing, and continuous innovation. And we didn't just imagine it, we built it. From architecture to implementation, we show you how Vibe coding with AI lets everyone, not just developers, bring this vision to life. In this series, you'll see exactly how each piece works and fits together. And before you think this is just for hobbyists or SMEs, we work building systems for some of the largest organizations in the world. Over the next few weeks, we'll break down every core system. Starting in the next video, we'll show you how to set up your knowledge base, then cover building an AI-driven CRM, creating a project management system tailored for you, automated testing that actually works, a unified social media marketing system, and tie it all together with real-time analytics. So in our next video, we'll show you exactly how to create your own custom AI knowledge base, similar to tools like Cassidy or DocSpot, but purpose-built for your business. This instant AI chatbot can live on your website or be used for internal help. But here's the major win. Then it can be used to automate and guide your everything app behind the scenes. Get ready to put powerful AI at the heart of your company. Why settle for off-the-shelf chaos when you can have an everything app built around you? Stick with us to see exactly how it's done, or reach out if you want our experts to do it for you. Many thanks.
Thanks for watching, and now a word from our prehistoric sponsors.
Yes! Okay, I don't actually know what I clicked, but now all my work systems seem to agree with each other. This everything app does everything. I wish my kids would get along this nicely.